Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing Microsoft Word and signing in Do That Now. Once done, grant storage permission so Word can read files in Files or OneDrive. This is required to open documents. Then, locate your document inside the Files app or the Word app itself and tap to open. Make sure to choose Portrait for quick checks and Landscape when you need a full keyboard. This first step gets you straight into the editor so you can begin editing immediately. Now focus on editing. Use the ribbon at the top, Home for formatting and styles, Insert for images or tables, because tapping icons is faster than menus. To adjust view, pinch to zoom and switch between the on-screen keyboard and a Bluetooth keyboard if typing more. Make edits directly, and use Review to add comments or track changes when collaborating. Save frequently. Word autosaves to OneDrive, but tap the Save icon after major changes to confirm. These steps speed up complex edits on your iPhone. Finish by saving and sharing. Tap the menu, choose Save or Export to PDF if needed, and select OneDrive or on my iPhone. Once saved, use Share to send a link or attach the file. Set permissions to allow editing or view only. If the document fails to open, check the file type first, update the Word app, and restart your iPhone. Often that fixes permission or compatibility issues. Finally, make sure syncing completes before closing the app so nothing is lost.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.